Hello, good evening. My name is Idris Abdulhamid. I'm an IT expert and Master's Computer Science in use of Big Technical Intelligence. Yeah, as part of the CYSEC 2018 presentation, I'll be putting you through intro to SWI prologue. Of course, as you know, Siri prologue is just an interpreter that is using artificial intelligence. So, an AI is just a subset of computer science. What we have to learn there is knowing that we have the rules, and we have the memory, we have the explanation subsystem, user interface, um, knowledge acquisition subsystem. All of these things are being integrated into one system. So, and that system can be deployed using any of the tools. But for this tutorial, we'll be looking at SWI prologue. So SWI is an acronym for Swedish prologue. So it's just an interpreter, like I really said. So the first thing is you install the interpreter from the web address, and this web address is www.swiprologue.org. Download stable. So once you do that, you run through the tutorial. So the first thing is, I assume we are using a Windows operating system, and here from this Windows operating system you can go to the all program. From all program, click to accessories. Under accessories you see ease of access. Click under ease of access, you see these various tools, but let me see if I have one. Okay, from there we pick notepad. So we are using notepad as a case study. So from this notepad you have something like this. The notepad is an editor, is a word editor or a text editor. So once you have this, the next thing is you are going to prepare the rules. So one thing with prologue is you need to capture your rules. So we have the rule-based approach in this example. So it's assumed that we are using an application of a medical or medicine, call it psychiatric expert system, a rule-based approach. So, and in this approach we are going to capture the rules. For example, we have symptoms of psychiatry from the basic symptom to the intermediate to the advanced, but the scope of this work is just, let's say, we are capturing the basic and the intermediate. Hence we have gotten some rules from the literature and from experts. So these rules are now captured together and presented in our system. So in a short while you'll be seeing how I deploy it. Although it's a big complex, but you still have to go through it. So having done that, having downloaded the interpreter, you have it on your machine, you launch it. In the process of downloading, you will select whether it's 32 or 64 bits, but on my own machine here I'm using 64 bits. So let me run through it. Sorry, my system is slow. I'm running the installation. Installation is running. Okay, installation is fully deployed now. It's still running. Installation is still running. mo ń ṣe fídíò kan lọ́wọ́ ni mo ń ṣe live session kan. Okay, done. So having completed the installation, you open it, launch the app. Here I'm launching the app. Bravo, the screen is here. So in this ID command line interface, the first thing is for me to prepare the rules. I will have to prepare the rules using the notepad as a text editor, as I explained earlier on. So I'm going to give it a name. Let's say I will name the file. Maybe I want to name it pes.pl. The extension will be .pl, .prolog. So yeah, I've written a statement: log on user, log on bracket user, full stop. The key thing is here we make use of functions and factors, just like a function using a square root in your Microsoft Word. That square root function, if you find square root of 9, it gives you 3, square root of 16, 4, and all that. But here you can use the same method. Here I'm using log on bracket user, then full stop. I terminate a statement with the full stop or period. So if I have this now, let's assume I want to run this application. I save it as pes.prolog. So from there I'll now go to my command line interface, then open file, consult. I will now locate the directory of my prolog file. The directory here will be on the desktop. I chose pes.prolog. Then I haven't opened it. I can now run any code in this interface, in this environment. So let's assume I want to run logon user. I want to check if it's true or not, or false. So from here it gives me a result of true. That means my argument is valid, my query is true. So if I query a particular database now, I may want to get the result whether true or false. In this example, it has given me the value to be true, so that means the value is correct. Thank you very much.